Hello, welcome back to Two Guys on the Road. Today we're gonna do a green habanero sauce, not too spicy, all right? And this is pretty much all the ingredients that you need. We have our tomatillos, garlic, lime, onion, cilantro and parsley, lemon, tomato, jalapeno, habanero, poblanos, and about a tablespoon of salt. All right, it's very simple. What we're gonna do is we're gonna clean the vegetables up, and then we're gonna roast the peppers, the tomatoes, the garlic, and the onion, and then we're gonna boil it, and after that we're gonna process. The only part of the process that I like to show right now when it's the cleaning is on my peppers. I open my pepper up, I scoop all the seeds and the white stem like this, and then I wash the pepper. That takes a lot of the spice and give you a very good taste. I'm gonna do the same with the jalapeños, the habaneros, and the poblanos. With the poblanos, after I clean them, I'm gonna put it on a tray and I preheat oven for 360. I'm gonna put it to toast for about 30 minutes so it gets dry, and we can process the poblano roaster flavor better than doing it on the stove. But I'm gonna clean this up and I'm gonna pass to the next section. Alright, now we're gonna roast our vegetables. We start with the tomatillo in a hot iron skillet, and the onion, garlic, and we'll let it char a little bit on each side to get a flavor, you know, the flavor of the cast iron skillet. After I get them going, I put them on boiling water with a little bit of salt. Also, a little trick, if this comes too spicy for you, because you know my taste buds are not the same as your taste buds, you can always mix your sauce with cream cheese. That will lower the spiciness of the sauce, but it will give you most of the flavor mixed with the cream cheese. Also, that is like a dipping, but if you want to do it for like a sauce for tacos, you can mix it up with the sour cream. have all the ingredients in here. Tomatoes, tomatillos, jalapeno, habanero, cilantro, parsley, poblanos, onion, garlic, salt, olive oil, lemon and lime juice, and we roast them, boil them, and now we are processing them. This I like to let it rest for a couple days in the cooler, and because it's hot right now, but you can see it's kind of like a chunky sauce. If you have a space in your blender, you're gonna put more water or more olive oil, you can do so. Usually I put more water. This is the top of my blender pretty much. Any more when it come up from the corners. So a new take on green Habanero sauce. I hope you like them. Try them. So it's spicy. Remember, one of the tricks is mixing it up with cream cheese or sour cream. Oh my god. It's not as spicy at all. Doug, you want to give me your opinion?
Yeah, man.
It's not as spicy at all, but it's flavorful.
Yep.
Alright.
Yep.
That was my take on the green jalapeno sauce. See you next time. Oh, green habanero sauce. See you next time.